Today, I decided to go shopping. Not because I needed something important, but because sometimes shopping makes us feel happy and relaxed. I took a deep breath and walked into the shop, ready to explore and enjoy the moment. Wow, this shop looks amazing. There are so many clothes, colors, and designs.
Welcome, madam. Please take your time and look around. Let me know if you need any help.
Thank you, I will. I started looking at different clothes. Some were bright, some were simple, and some were very stylish. Every dress had something special, and choosing one felt difficult. This dress looks beautiful, but that one looks beautiful too. Why is it so hard to choose? When everything looks good, making a decision becomes confusing. Excuse me, can I try this dress?
Of course, madam. The trial room is over there.
I looked at myself in the mirror. The dress looked nice, but something didn't feel right. I realized something at that moment. Shopping is not only about buying clothes. It is about feeling comfortable and confident. Not everything that looks good makes us feel good from inside.
Sometimes, simple clothes are the best choice. Comfort is more important than fashion.
You are right. Comfort gives confidence. I chose a simple and comfortable dress. It was not the most expensive one, but it felt perfect for me. I would like to buy this dress.
That is a great choice.
How much is it?
Here is your bill, madam.
I paid the bill and smiled. I felt happy, calm, and satisfied as I walked out of the shop. Today, I learned an important lesson. True style is not about expensive clothes. It is about feeling comfortable with yourself. Like this video and share it with someone who loves shopping. Thank you for watching.